Practice focused awareness of what you want to manifest, understanding you're not just passively observing, but actively participating in creating your reality. Unlike our linear time concept, ancient cultures operated within cyclical time frameworks. They recognized optimal manifestation periods aligned with natural cycles, seasons, lunar phases, and even longer cosmic cycles. Practical tip 4. Begin new manifestation practices during new moons and amplify them during full moons. This isn't superstition, it's working with the gravitational and electromagnetic influences these cycles exert on our bodies, which are mostly water. Ancient temples were designed as acoustic chambers that amplified specific frequencies. From Sanskrit mantras to Egyptian vowel sounds,